All right. It's time. Let's rebuild that. 4 bolts are off. That was easier than I thought. Got the carb. Oh, that's hot. It's off a fresh engine. Got the electric choke conversion kit. I got extra floats just in case. Also have the carburetor rebuild kit. Get this thing off. Yeah, see, there's all that fuel that's still in there. All right, got this all nice and clean now. See, no more sediment in there at all. Got all my parts laid out. I did install this, the new choke arm that came with the electric choke kit. Let's get this assembled. And we get the carb installed. Man, it on this engine, it really looks like it doesn't belong. And I had a whole 5.5 miles per gallon on this engine. And after the rebuild, it's up to 8.8. No idea if it's because now I can tune it a bit better or if it's actually running more efficiently, but that was definitely a worthwhile build.